It all started when I picked up this chainsaw pocket bike off Craigslist, and as I do on this channel, I completely redid the bike. But this time I decided to keep the engine the same because I mean, how often can you say you have a pocket bike that has a 110cc cement saw for an engine? But over the years, the bike sustained some wear and tear that I've now finally gotten around to dealing with. Task 1 was patching the gas tank on the bike. This tank was fatally punctured by a Rogue N2O cartridge while I was filming a boost bottle video. So I threw some JB Weld on that and fixed it up again. Next I had to fix my engine mounts so that the back tire was actually lining up with the driving sprocket again. And then pretty much the last of it was digging out all these broken clutch pad pieces from the housing that was making it so whenever I'd try pulling over the engine, the back tire would have to be moving in order for the bike to stay running. A real downer when that was going on. Now I could finally get to the main install here, and that was to swap out this huge sprocket in the back for something smaller. And that was actually easy enough because I was able to just bolt it onto the plate that was already here. Alright, so before I get into the speedruns, this episode is brought to you by Raid Shadow Legends. Raid is a turn-based RPG game done right. It's one of the top 3 RPGs on the Google Play Store, and it shows, guys, because this game is closing in on 15 million downloads in the last 6 months. Raid is a hero collection turn-based game with over 400 champions for you to collect and personally customize. Explore over 1 million champion builds, discover 13 spectacular locations, and best of all, enjoy Raid with friends in your own clan. The game is free to download, so guys, I was super excited when they reached out because I've been playing this game during these cold winter days and it's just been perfect. It's been so much fun customizing my characters, which I have to say is definitely my favorite part of playing the game. You get to set them up in unique ways so they do exactly what you need them to do to win more battles. And of course there's more than that, guys. There's weekly tournaments and events, fighting in the arena, running special dungeons, or just leveling up your heroes. There's always a way to compete and win extra prizes every single week. One of my favorite features of the game is the multi-battle auto mode. This mode allows you to set battles to run in auto mode while you go and do something else. So you're basically spending less time grinding and more time developing your teams and fighting the fun stuff. And definitely check out this cool roadmap that they've just published. So you can find me under the nickname Pocket Bike Kid, and if you're quick enough you can also join my clan. Go to the video description, click on the special links, and get 50,000 silver and free Epic Champion as part of the new player program to your journey. Good luck, and I want to see you there. Not only would it be really cool to be able to interact with you guys through this game that I already play, but big thank you to Raid for sponsoring this episode because it really just helps out the channel a bunch and keeps me grinding out these videos for you guys. There's just one more thing on this bike that has to be addressed, and that's this FMF exhaust tip. We welded it on quick at the time, so it doesn't even have an expansion chamber. I think it's only messing up the back pressure and restricting the engine like this. But first, let's see what kind of speeds I hit with it all still on here, and then I'll chop it off. So there we have it, guys. After seeing only 45 miles per hour in the first runs, I just knew something was up, because I've at least hit 50 miles per hour in the past on this bike. But it actually wasn't just the pipe that I chopped off to get here. With that, I also replaced the carburetor
removed the boost bottle, and put a brand new clutch on the bike. So this one definitely took some work, but I'm really glad we hit a new top speed in the end. I hope everyone enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.